Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to teach you how to prevent soda ash from forming on your soap creations. If you've made cold processed soap, chances are you've experienced soda ash at some point in time. Soda ash creates an uneven white ashy film on the surface of your bars. Soda ash forms when unsaponified lye reacts with naturally occurring carbon dioxide in the air. It usually forms within 1 to 3 days and the soap is completely safe to use, but to someone who doesn't know what it is, it can look a little funky. While it typically shows up on the top of the soap, in some cases it can run all the way through or even make the soap feel crumbly. Here are a few ways that you can prevent soda ash and treat it if you do find yourself in an ashy situation. First, be mindful of your temperatures. Soda ash most often forms with lower temperatures and when the soap is poured at thin trace viscosity. You may notice it more with swirl designs that require thinner soap to create swirl effects. To help prevent it, make sure your lye and oils are 100 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. We recommend soaping around 115 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, pour the soap when it's closer to medium trace viscosity. Next, spray the tops immediately with rubbing alcohol. Spray the top right away and then again in 10 to 15 minutes. That helps create a protective barrier. Additionally, cover the soap with a piece of cardboard and a towel or blanket. That helps keep the soap warm and forces gel phase. Finally, instead of making your soap from scratch, you can use a pre-made melt and pour base that has already been lab tested and crafted to eliminate soda ash and other various soap making frustrations. We have a variety of clear and opaque melt and pour bases that are 100% natural and are extremely easy to work with. But if you're committed to making soap the old-fashioned way and find yourself with an ashy set of bars, don't fret. To remove soda ash from your finished bars, the easiest way to clean them is with a handheld steamer or a cold water scrub. To steam off your soda ash, simply hold the steamer about 1 to 5 inches above each bar of soap and pass over a few times for 20 to 30 seconds. Once the bars are dry, they will be clean and shiny. This method works best for a light layer of soda ash on the top of the bars. To do a cold water scrub, grab some rubber gloves to make sure you don't leave fingerprints and run the soap under cold water, gently using your fingers to scrub the areas that have soda ash. Once it's gone, rinse off any lather and let the bar dry completely before packaging. Now that you know how to prevent and remove soda ash, we can't wait to see what you create. Have you experienced soda ash? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!